price, pet type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. To discuss the amenities of this hotel, as you can see on the screen, in this hotel, 7 type of rooms available on ChonburiNestled.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is superb and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Time in this hotel is 2 p.m. and checkout time of this resort is 12 p.m. There are amenities and offers available online for this hotel, along with different terms and policies. But planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking or details for this policy, please go to link in description. If you have stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property.